Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another video, and today I'm gonna take you to another tunnel. As always, in my last videos you've seen that I'm exploring so many tunnels around Merthyr Tydfil. But what I'm gonna show you, not many people know, but here in Merthyr Tydfil is a tunnel which was used to carry a first steam-powered locomotive. There was a Richard Trevithick, English inventor from Cornwall. He worked on high-pressure steam engines, and he was successful in putting a steam engine on carriages and used it on roads. And he had a question: let's put it on the railway. So that's what he did on 21st of February 1802. He made first successful journey here from Merthyr Tydfil to Abercynon with a distance of 9.75 miles. And he carried 10 tons of iron, 70 men, 5 wagons with an average speed of 2.4 miles per hour. And he reached Abercynon in 4 hours and 5 minutes. And there was a tunnel here in Merthyr, which was used until that time as a tunnel for carriages being pulled by horses. But this tunnel witnessed a first steam-powered locomotive. So I'm just gonna take you there now. Not many people knows about it, so guys, come with me. It's again back to history. 1802, that's 222 years ago, and I'm just gonna share that with you. Let's go. Okay, so we are on the way towards the tunnel. This is the old tram road going from Merthyr to Abercynon, and I'm just reaching the tunnel now, where you will see how the steam locomotive looked like. So this is the tunnel here in Merthyr Tydfil, the first tunnel which witnessed the very first steam-powered locomotive on the railway. Unfortunately, we cannot enter. This is a short tunnel, only about 120 meters, I think. I'm not 100% sure it's a short tunnel. But as you can see, that's, I believe, this mosaic is the life size of the original Trevithick steam locomotive. And you can see Mr. Trevithick on the left side, just on the left side of the door. And if you look here on the floor, it's quite messy there, but you should be able to see the rails or the mosaic again, the size of how wide the locomotive was. So this tunnel originally had 2 rails for the horse-drawn carriages, but when the locomotive came, it was very heavy, and it had to be put in the middle as a single track. So that's the tunnel. There is some information board next to this. You can read it for yourself. Here is Richard Trevithick. So if you want, you can pause the video and have a read through. So guys, I hope you liked my video. A very short one today. Just wanted to show you this Trevithick Tunnel. You hopefully if you will have a chance to come to Merthyr Tydfil, definitely this is a place to visit as well. There are so many tunnels, as I said in the previous videos. There's around 12 tunnels in 1 hour radius from Merthyr Tydfil, and I would say this is one of the first one you should visit because of the history, especially if you like steam train. So guys, I hope you like my short video today, but if you did, put thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends and families, and write any comment and I'll be happily answer them all. Thank you guys for watching again. God bless you all and see you in my next video. Take care.